You guys, so look at this. This is a quick update from my last video. If you've been watching my videos, you know I made a video where I was talking about some of the plants that I would have to like throw out because I tried to save them and I wasn't able to. I did not throw out my jade plant. I try not to give up. I really don't when it comes to these plants. I did have to throw out the what was the other plant? Um, the other two plants. What was the other plant? Well, anyways, this one I decided to try again, and the issue wasn't the sun because the window where I have it, it's perfectly fine there. It gets the required amount of sun. The issue was the watering, so I decided to do the bottom water thing, like where you put it in like a pan of water and just leave it there. So I left it in there for 30 minutes in a pan of water, and that's it. And then I just put it back where I usually have it. And if you look at my last video, you will see the difference. Look at this. The leaves are not wrinkled anymore. It has new growth here. I got rid of some of the dead ones like that were around here. This one I'm gonna have to cut off, or might not. I might not actually. I might not, just because you see right here, this is actually green, so this one might have a chance. And if you look closer, there's new growth around here. Let's see. The only thing is that I do have to clean it because look what's coming out. I forgot what these are called, but this right here, I don't know if you guys can see it. You see that? Look at that shit. No. Meal are those meal something? I forgot what they're called. But yeah, so it works. The reason why I wasn't doing the bottom pan thing, like doing the watering it underneath, is because I was told that jade plants don't need that much water. So I'm actually doing most of them like that now, except my spider plant. With my spider plant, I'm just like watering it and letting the water run through. And it's been, it's growing that way, so I don't want to change it and then mess it up. But for this one, it has worked, and I'm really happy about it because there's new growth growing all over the place. All the leaves that were wrinkly and shriveled. Look at this. You see this? This is how all of them were. This is like literally how every single one like looked before, And now look at it. Look at this here. And now look at this picture of what it looked before. And now look how this looks, right? So you see the difference. So I'm really happy about this. Hopefully this one will grow. This one won't die and it will get better. I'm gonna clean those little things that I showed you guys. And yeah, so I guess I'll be doing that. It doesn't need any more water right now. It's pretty moist. So I'm just gonna leave it by the window in its spot. And once it's completely dry, I'll do the same thing I was doing. I was thinking of maybe moving it to a smaller pot, but I don't want to mess anything up. Like, I feel like if I do something, look at that, another one right here. If you guys know what the name of this is, let me know down below because I completely forgot. But yeah, I'm gonna clean it. I'm gonna check every leaf. I'm gonna check every crevice to make sure that there's no more of those. And yeah, look at it. Look how beautiful. Look at this. Before and after. Before and after. They're so green. You guys, I will talk to you in the next video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and yeah, bye.